I am filming early in the morning and I'm trying to scooch over to this side of my desk because my blinds are creating such harsh shadows. You can kind of see it right here that I just moved over my whole workstation right now. We're going to see if this films better. So the layout I am scrapping, it's not really a layout. It's just kind of this telling the story of our first COVID scare with Valentina being at school. So she was around someone, they did contact tracing, we got contacted, she had to stay home, we had to get a negative COVID test, it was negative, and so that's the story I'm trying to tell here. So I pulled out the paper pad I hauled not too long ago, Never Grow Up, so I have this pattern paper of stripes, and then I've already done some fussy cutting from this one, which is really cute. I might fussy cut a few more flowers out of this. So these are my details, my little embellishments. There's just a selfie of us. I'm going to stamp out COVID scare with these Juniper from KerriBradford. These are our test results that we got. So I'm thinking of creating a pocket like so. That way that gets housed back there. And then I'm just trying to decide. So I printed out like this, our school's protocol on COVID stuff. So I'm making it a hinge to either hide the journaling under there, so it's like that, and then just stamp out COVID scare here, or I printed it long where it could fit with this, you know. So that's just the choice. So you're gonna just watch me stamp right now and kind of put the little pocket together. Like I said, it's gonna be quick and easy. I just wanted to make sure I kept this in my journal insert for her. Remember, I'm working in my school year. This insert is Storyline Chapters by Heidi Swap. And it's been fun to work in this size, actually. Very quick, very easy. And remember, my whole theme for this year of scrapbooking is less bulk. So I'm definitely trying to keep things flat. And this one is definitely remaining. So it is getting a little chunky, but like nothing too crazy. And I just feel since I can put more than one insert in the binding of Heidi Swap that I still like this option right now. So we are going to be stamping as well. I pulled out the blue chipped sapphire and let's get stamping. I'll put you on fast forward for this. Okay, that came together rather quickly. I hope you've enjoyed. I know you saw me mess up there, so by all means, stamping is a learning curve. So I will either glue these 2 pages together or put some scrapbook paper on my next layouts in order to cover that up, so that's not a big deal. And but I still like it because, again, it's just less bulky than using thickers right now. So then I love how this came out. Remember, the test results are behind here that are both negative, and I'll put the, actually I need to put the date somewhere. I'll do that off camera, but just so you know, so I can keep the date straight. And then my journaling is underneath here. And this is just a picture of kind of like our county's protocol for COVID exposures during the school day due to contact tracing. So I just thought it was a good one to keep. And like I said earlier too, it'll probably be not the only time that it occurs. So I love the way that came together. If you have enjoyed your time with me, please subscribe and hit that subscribe button. And if you've also enjoyed this layout, give this video a thumbs up. And as I continue on completing this insert full of stories about this pre-K school year for Valentina. Till next time, everyone. Bye.